Welcome to a video from thedigitallife.com. This is a new build of Windows 10 to look at, 23521 for Windows Inside on the Dev channel. Just a couple of things to show you in build this week. I did do a Canary build yesterday as well, so make sure you check out our YouTube channel for that. If you're a Windows 365 user, that's the cloud-based Windows experience, you can now add that desktop to here, and you can task view it and switch through it. So you've got the sort of cloud-based experience, but that's a sort of enterprise type feature, but that's available now. Right, talking of enterprise as well, if you're using a Azure Active Directory account, so a work account, you can now use Copilot. That wasn't available before. Now for consumers, there is a couple of settings that have changed, and I can show you those. So down here we've got combine taskbar buttons and labels, and hide labels, combine taskbar and hide labels and other taskbars. So now we've got those control separate. So I always combine the taskbar buttons and labels, but on the second monitor I never combine them, or only do it when it's full, and maybe do this one when it's full, and so on. So you've got control over that over both screens now, which is good. Incidentally, if you've got dynamic lighting, that's another new setting. I haven't got it on here. That's where you can have the devices, dynamic lighting devices, so like keyboards and USB keyboards, whatever. You can now match those colours as well, which is good. Task Manager has been changed for the settings. Let me show you. So Task Manager settings has been updated to sort of have the Windows 11 style with the categories and everything else, so that should make it a bit easier to find things. Right, the rest of the changes, just some fixes. There's some fixes with dragging files from archive folders. They fixed an issue with Extract All wasn't working. They fixed an issue where Explorer would crash when dragging the scroll bar during a file loading process. They fixed some issues with File Explorer hanging as well. So there's quite a few fixes for File Explorer. They've fixed some issues with USB icon from the system tray that removed it. So when you had the USB icon down in the bottom and down here, they fixed some issues with that. They fixed some issues with the end task not working as well. Other fixes include HDR background support. That's been fixed as well. Some issues with that. One other thing with this build as well is you can pin the widget boards like that. And that's going to stay open now. Now, I don't really know how many people are going to be using that. So, but you can leave your widget board there. You can work on things, and that stays there all the time. Yeah, I'm not sure how many people are going to want to use that one, especially in that full screen mode. But the option is there, so you can pin it, so you can have it there all the time. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how many people use that one. I won't be pinning that. Okay, so that's it with this build. Just a few changes I wanted to highlight. There are a couple of things. Full details on thedigitallife.com with the blog post. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.